Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming controls and selecting manual or H-pattern transmission. This lets you control shifts directly. Once done, press the clutch fully, because disengaging the engine prevents grinding, then select first gear. You accelerate gently while releasing the clutch progressively, and you monitor RPMs to avoid stalling. Keep revs low but responsive. Doing this teaches you feel for bite point and torque. So practice short starts until you can hold position on slight incline. You accelerate until RPM hits the target band, then press clutch and shift to the next gear. This reduces fuel use and engine strain. If you're using H-pattern with ranges, double clutch or blip the throttle to match speeds between ranges. This syncs gearbox speeds and avoids jerks. Make sure to read the road. When climbing, upshift later to maintain power. On descents, downshift earlier to use engine braking. Practice listening to engine tones, because sound tells you when to shift faster than numbers sometimes. You slow by easing off throttle and downshifting one gear at a time while pressing the clutch. This keeps revs safe and uses engine braking. Hold the clutch briefly between shifts if needed. For parking, select neutral, apply handbrake, and cut the engine to prevent rollback. If you encounter missed or stuck shifts, check your clutch input mapping, recalibrate the wheel or controller, and ensure transmission mode matches your controls. This usually resolves input conflicts. If problems persist, reload the profile or restart the game to clear state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.